Hey guys, how you doing? It's Kevtech here bringing another video on information technology. I hope you're having a good day. Happy Sunday. And today I want to go over my experience being at Defcon 2026. Obviously, if you're new to my channel, you know what to do. Rate, comment, subscribe, give me a thumbs up. Really appreciate it. This year, 2026, Defcon, I was at the New Village. I'm gonna put a picture here somewhere in this video. I was in the New Village. I spent like most of my time and energy at the New Village. I couldn't really go all walk around. However, I did have fun. I met a lot of amazing people. I met the CEO of API University, Dan. I hung out with Dan. My friend Mo, or we call him Moo. He helped me with the table. So I'm definitely wanted one more people to help me with the DEF CON table because I was at the New Village where people that are brand new to IT, they will come in here, come there, ask questions. I had a table and everything. And one thing I regret is never having enough people with me because I was so busy with that table. So I had to bring more people with me next time. And yeah, I had fun. I saw I didn't want to bother him. I saw Network Chuck. He was there as well. I took a picture with a few of my colleagues that know me. So I'm gonna put some pictures here in the video. The day one of DEF CON, I was freaking tired. I got there super late. My flight was delayed, so I was exhausted. And I had to set up my table on Thursday, and I was just setting things up, giving out like swag, giving out like beer openers, pens, bags, just giving out little things here and there. That was fun. I was literally a few tables away from TCM security, and also I was a table away from Sands. And yeah, we had fun. I enjoyed those couple of days of DEF CON. I actually was able to talk to David Bombal, so I hung out with David Bombal, and David Bombal was there. And I was, oh look, it's David Bombal, and then he's like, hey, it's Kevin, and then we talked, we hung out a little bit, talked a little bit. I didn't want to bother him as much either because he was doing a bunch of interviews and a bunch of like podcasts, like one-on-one interviews with people. He was a few tables away from me, so I didn't want to bother him because he was busy interviewing people one by one. And then I met Michael as well. Um, you guys are probably not gonna know him. Maybe some people know him. I met Mike as well. His actual name is, I'll tell you right now what his name is. If you guys probably know him, Mike Hollycomb. I put a picture of him here somewhere. I did take a picture with him. And then I took a bunch of pictures with a bunch of different people. My friend was there. Jessica Hoffman was there. Um, I went to I went to the Westgate because I wanted to watch some pool. So I took some pictures of pool. And I'll put some pictures here of me going to pool. Then I took some pictures of me at DEF CON. Then I saw Rihanna was there as well. So I'll put a picture here with Rihanna. The badge is really cool. I really like the badge. They had like they had the human hacking badge. So you could mess with it if you want. I was playing around with it, and I bought my own Kevtech pin. So I have my own badge. I have my badge and my human badge and my Kevtech pin, and I'll put it somewhere on here on the screen. So I ended up doing that as well. I took a picture of the area, and I have a picture of that here as well. And what else? And then I actually got some video because the last day of DEF CON. I was like super tired and exhausted. I lost my voice by the end of the week because I had to talk to over 1,000 people that came to our table. So I was like really tired. I'm like, man, I'm super tired. So then we got our luggages together. We got everything back. We went back to the hotel. And with Moo, I was like, man, I feel bad. Like, we didn't even have fun. We didn't do anything because we were like basically working the whole time. It was more work than anything else. So I got a picture with Tyler Ramsey. I hung out with Tyler Ramsey. I hung out with Jules from Simply Cyber as well, which was fun. I went to their happy hour. I hung out with them. But then after that, we went walking. We went back to the hotel. We went to a Brazilian steakhouse, um, which is Fogo de Chao or something like that. I gotta look it up, but Fogo de Chao. And yeah, that was fun. I went there with my friend, and I'll put a video here somewhere. And then I went back to the hotel. Some girls singing live over there. I had some food from my friend. The food was really bad. It was like the worst. It was the worst barbecue I ever had in my life. No offense, Vegas, but that barbecue that we had at the hotel was really bad. I don't even know what the hell that was. It tasted like eating rubber. I didn't like it. And Texas has better barbecue than that, obviously. I'm gonna get killed by people watching this video, but yeah, it's fine. And then after that, yeah, I went to so I went to a few different spots with like when I before the actual conference, I went to the Las Vegas APA tournament. I was watching people play pool. And yeah, and that's it. And then I met Dr. Q. He's a pool player, Dr. Q. He was over there. I'll put a picture here somewhere. And yeah, after that, it's just it was fun, but I was just tired, but also like I wish I had more people with me. Like I didn't get a chance to go to the different villages or different tables. Like the last day of DEF CON, I was able to move around. I was literally able to move around and do whatever I want. The last day, it was like 2 hours before the DEF CON was actually over. I was able to move around, but everything was already closed. So I went upstairs. I went to was it Vet Village, VetCon Village. I went to Blacks in Cybersecurity Village. I hung out with them a little bit. Then I went downstairs and people were taking pictures of me because I was walking around. Some people were taking pictures of me. So I have pictures here left and right with people that know me. And I had a lot of people come up to me that knew me from YouTube, and we hung out, we spoke. It was fun. I had a really good time. Like I said, I have to bring more people with me next time. So next time I bring more people. Next time I bring better swag because a lot of the bags, people were getting the bags, but not as much. So I'll bring like I don't know, like wristbands, maybe more pens, things like that. Definitely will be there for next year for another table, hopefully. We'll see how my year goes, but definitely will be doing that. And yeah, and that's it. I just wanted to give you an update on DEF CON. And obviously, I saw InfoSec Pat, Patrick Gorman, Tyler Rams. There's a bunch of different people that I saw at the conference, and I really enjoyed it. I had fun. I always have fun at DEF CON. I go there more to network and talk to the people that know me. I go there more for the community than the actual learning. That's just me. That's just how I am as a person. I love networking, so I went there for that. So anyway, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Yeah, that's my experience at DEF CON. Obviously, if you're new to DEF CON, come to the New Village. I'll show you around. New Village was created for that purpose. It's for people that are brand new to IT and cyber. So if you ever come to DEF CON, come by, say hi to me, come by, talk to the people in the New Village. They'll be more than happy to help you out. If you're not familiar with DEF CON, they'll show you around the map and everything, and you know where to go and things like that. So yeah, hopefully you guys have a wonderful Sunday and take care. Bye.